Chicago's frozen, New York's in a shiver, but we're down here on the Mexican sand with a beer and a tequila in hand. The sun is hot, the moon is high, the band's about to kiss the sky. They play that riff we've known for years, and suddenly the whole world disappears. We came to dance, we came to heal. Tonight the music is for real, and it goes, won't you take it to the limit one more time? Oh, we're alone, but it feels like summer. Yeah, we're rocking when the north wind blows, with our Canadian friends and the Mexico shows. We got unity, love, and a little bit of lime. Take it to the limit one more time. Unity bound, we pass the bottle, we say salute. This ain't a crowd, this is a multitude, and it goes, won't you take it to the limit one more time? Oh, we're alone, but it feels like summer. Yeah, the world is cold, but we're burning bright, rocking for the kids and the street dogs tonight. Pass the tequila, pass the love divine. Take it to the limit one more time. You know, they said it's winter, why you going south? I said, man, my soul needs a different kind of cold. Not the frozen kind, the kind where your heart opens. For the animals, for the kids, for the local people, for the music that never dies. Unity is the way we live in Mexico or anywhere. So come on now. Salud, mi familia. Unity is the way. See you at Unity Fest too.